How to use conversation gambits. Ways to agree and disagree politely.
We all know the feeling when someone accidentally says something that upsets us, or when we say something that hurts someone else. You should have made your point clearer. The committee didn't like your work. How can we talk about a difficult topic or something we disagree with someone about without hurting their feelings? These are very impolite ways to tell someone that you disagree with them, and using them can make people very upset. However, there are better ways to disagree with someone and give them feedback. Here's a good strategy. Use a positive comment first. Say what the person should do better. Give a suggestion or two for improvement. So, instead of saying, "You should have made your point clearer, the committee didn't like your work," try one of these instead. "I think your ideas are good because, however, I'm still a little confused about and think you need to clarify this." Or try these. "I agree with you that, but I think you also need to talk about. I think considering both of these things will make your idea better." Let's try this conversation again. "I think your idea about sustainability was good. You should also work more on your ideas about gun violence. The committee didn't really understand your point." Here are some other options. To give an opinion, you might say, "I think that, I guess that, I suppose, it's possible that." To suggest improvement, you might say, "What if you, why don't you, maybe you could try." Other ways to introduce your disagreement: "I don't really like," "I would rather you do," "I would prefer if you do," "It would be better if you do." Using these conversation pieces is much more polite than directly stating your ideas, and it's much more likely to help the other person to listen to you. And most of all, they will help you to be more successful in your work.